In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to add parallax scrolling to your Wix website. This effect is a great way to make your site feel modern, dynamic, and visually engaging. And the best part is, it's super easy to set up. Let's begin by logging into your Wix account and opening your website editor. Once you've logged in and you're inside the editor, we're going to kick things off by adding a strip. You'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand panel. There you'll find an option labeled Add Elements. Click on that and then look for the Strip option. When you select it, you'll notice you have a variety of styles to choose from. These include solid colors, images, and even videos. For our example today, we'll stick with a standard strip, but feel free to pick what best suits your site's theme. Once you've chosen your strip, it's time to give it some style. Click on Change Strip Background to decide whether you'd like a solid color, an image, or a video to serve as your background. After you've selected and applied your desired background, it's time to add a touch of motion. With your strip still selected, navigate over to Animation and Effects and simply click on Parallax. Curious to see how it all looks in action? Head over to the top right corner of your editor and click on Preview. This will allow you to scroll down the page and immediately notice the parallax effect coming to life. If you're satisfied with how it looks, you can go ahead and click Publish to make it live on your site. But here's a little extra tip for you. You can also apply the parallax effect to your entire page background. To do this, go back to that trusty left-hand panel, click on Site Design, and then select Page Background. Just like before, you'll pick whether you want to use a color, an image, or a video for your background. Once you've made your selection, click on Settings. Under the Scroll Effects section, you'll find the option to select Parallax. As always, it's a good idea to check how everything appears, so use the Preview button again to ensure it looks the way you imagined. And when everything is perfect in your eyes, give that Publish button one last click to make it official. And there you have it. You now know how to add parallax scrolling to both strips and full-page backgrounds on Wix. This simple yet effective trick instantly elevates the professional look of your site. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on enhancing your Wix experience.